Do you know why watching porn might be destroying your trading discipline? Here's why. Porn gives your brain instant dopamine, quick pleasure with zero effort. Some traders watch it right before the trading session, which kills focus and energy. Others even watch it during trading hours, which makes them distracted, impulsive, and unable to follow their plan. When your brain is wired for instant pleasure, it hates waiting for setups, and that's when overtrading and revenge trading happens. Here is the solution with daily habits. Instead, swap that habit with something that builds discipline. Do 20 push-ups, write one market observation in your journal, or play 5 minutes of online chess. Chess is powerful because it trains patience, focus, and thinking ahead, the same skills you need to succeed in trading. Try this swap for just 1 week. No porn before or during trading. Replace it with chess or journaling, and see how your focus changes. Will you test it?